Lily's Little Garden, Reading Practice. Lily loved plants. Every morning she went to her small garden behind her house. The garden was tiny, but it was her favorite place in the world. One day, Lily found a dry, weak plant in a corner. Its leaves were brown and its stem was bending. Most people would throw it away, but Lily smiled. "I will help you grow," she said softly. Every day she gave the plant a little water. She placed it in the sunlight. She talked to it kindly. She even played soft music for it. Days passed, slowly. The plant began to change. A tiny green leaf appeared, then another, and another. Lily felt proud. "If you keep trying," she said, "good things will happen." After a few weeks, the plant became the brightest one in her garden. Its leaves were shiny, its flowers were beautiful, it stood tall and strong. Lily looked at it and whispered, "See, a small effort every day can make big magic." From that day on, Lily believed she could grow anything, plants, dreams, and even herself.